Hi guys, Mrnewmobile here. Please subscribe followed by the bell. So, if you are Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra user, this is good news for you. We have latest software updates for the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. While it's no longer receiving major OS updates, Samsung continues to provide crucial security patches, keeping this powerful device relevant. The most recent update, released in April 2025, brings the all-important April 2025 Android security patch. This update, identified by build numbers ending in HYD1 or HYD3 depending on your region, focuses on enhancing the security of your device, patching vulnerabilities and safeguarding your data. This is a significant update, especially for a device that's nearing the end of its official support lifecycle. Remember, the Note 20 Ultra, along with its sibling, the Note 20, is now on a quarterly update schedule. This means you can expect security updates approximately every 3 months. This is a change from the previous monthly updates, but it's still a testament to Samsung's commitment to providing extended support for its devices. While this update doesn't include any new features or major UI changes, the focus on security is paramount. Keeping your device updated with the latest security patches is crucial for protecting your personal information and ensuring the overall stability of your phone. How to update? It's simple. Go to your phone settings, then software update, and check for updates. The update should download and install automatically. Make sure your device is connected to Wi-Fi and has sufficient battery life before starting the update. The Note 20 Ultra's support cycle is nearing its end, with August 2025 being the projected end of official support. While this means no more updates after that point, the continued security updates demonstrate Samsung's dedication to its customers. So, if you own a Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, make sure to download and install this latest update. It's a small step that goes a long way in keeping your device secure and running smoothly. That is it guys, without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below. And if you are new here, please subscribe, like the video, comment. Thanks for watching, see you on my next video. Peace out.